What the heck are you doing? On your dump truck? Well, you got some big muscles. Your dump truck? Let me see your big muscles. There they are. Lois?